Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to the Elite Traders Group Market Wrap, dated the 21st of December 2011. My name's Matt Dibb. We're going to run through a couple of markets. This will actually be the last daily commentary that we do for 2011. It's been a great year, and look forward to obviously continuing next year into 2012. So, guys, what are we having a look at today? We've got the Dow Jones futures up. Firstly, big movement, a lot of optimism in markets last night, plus 300 points on the Dow Jones. As we can see, there was some decent property data that came out over in the US, and that sparked quite a bit of optimism and some buying. I, for one, am somewhat cynical of where this market is heading as to whether it will break out or not. I don't think we're going to see a breakout of this 12,250 prior to the end of this year. Possibly going into next year at the start. If we see a break of that, then I'm bullish. But we've been in this consolidation now all month, unable to tap through 12,250, and until it does, I've got no interest in trading the equities markets right now. Way too choppy. To have a look at a couple of other markets, and I'd like to bring up spot gold firstly. Gold seems to have found a bottom. It was finding that 1600 as some sort of resistance before, but now it's actually cracked through. I've got this on a daily chart, as you can see, trading at 1620. Found that support from back in September, where we can see here around that 1550 mark. Now, quite a bit of divided views, I should say, with regards to where gold is heading. Many people are tipping that we are going to see it lower. Obviously, looking at this a little bit longer term, it does appear to be making lower highs and lower lows, therefore signaling that we're at least in a short-term downtrend. But if I put this on a monthly chart, it's obvious where gold has been going. So longer term, I'm a bull here in this market. Right now, some traders may consider buying some call options around these levels, looking for a bit more of a rally and depreciation of the US dollar going into Christmas as well. Now, we're currently holding 3-month euro dollars, which is a short position, and we've seen a little bit of a rally today. We entered here at 99.27. What we've actually done is we have moved our stop loss in this one to break even. So we've got a risk-free trade. If it pops up and knocks us out, then we don't lose any money there. But once again, we are looking for further downside and a crack below that 99.2 that we saw the low of the other day. So all in all, a very consistent market. I want to see a little bit more downside and pressured selling that over the next couple of days. One other thing that we're looking at, and somewhat hesitant to put out any recommendations leading into, I suppose, a bit of an illiquid time going into Christmas and New Year's, but something that does look quite nice technically and would appear to have found a bottom would be soybeans. Now, looking at the grains markets, they've all had a bit of a jump as of late, just over the last couple of days, after some very heavy losses in the preceding 3 months. So, finding a bottom here, we can see it's about to crack that previous resistance at about that 1450 mark, and if it does so, then traders may consider a long position there with a stop at around 1135, about a 15-point stop there, 750 risk on a full futures contract on that one. So we are looking at that as an opportunity within the markets now. Hey guys, thanks very much for listening to the Elite Traders Group update for this morning. Look, if you're wanting to receive live trade recommendations, if you're wanting discount full service broking and some of the lowest margin requirements in futures, foreign exchange and CFDs in Australia or even internationally, contact us to subscribe. Don't hesitate to send me an email, dib@halifaxonline.com.au. My phone number's down there, both local and international, or at least for the daily reports. Don't hesitate to subscribe and leave a comment in the section below. Thanks very much for your time, everyone. We'll chat again tomorrow. Cheers.